Hi guys, this is Krish, and the family firm that I've chosen to evaluate for my rocket pitch and my final project is Urvashi Paper. Give you a little introduction. Urvashi Paper is a 40-year-old family firm based in India, operating in the paper manufacturing and recycling space. It's first in the supply chain, so the products we create are used as raw material for another industry. Urvashi Paper manufactures craft board, something that looks like this. It's a brown paper made out of waste imported from different parts of the world. And this paper is used to create various things like cardboard, cores, cones, paper bags, anything brown essentially that you see. In a manufacturing firm such as this, production tends to be the king of all metrics. Why I say this is because your fixed costs are extremely high, and the higher your production, the lower your unit cost. The lower your unit cost, the more it adds to your bottom line. However, in my experience at the firm, I noticed that production tends to fluctuate on a month basis. There is a lot of capital been invested in automizing the process, so one would assume that production should stay rather constant. Your capacity utilization should hover around the same region. Still, we see our capacity utilization hover anywhere from 75% in a bad month to 98% in a good month. So that begs the question, why is this so? Why does this happen? The answer to that is extremely complex because there's a bunch of factors, I believe, affecting the production. For example, the longer time spent on maintenance on a week-on-week basis would mean lesser time that the factory is functional, so a lower production. The longer time spent on adding chemicals or more or less chemicals definitely adds to the production as well. There's a bunch of other factors that I'd like to dive into my research to find out what the acceptable and permissible limits for this should be, and why are we not following those. I believe the answer to the latter lies within the management structure of the company. It's only the top level of management that's really looking at these metrics and KPIs. And through my classes here at Babson, I've learned that KPI metrics and production goals is something that must cascade through all levels of the company. So yeah, for my project, I'd like to devise a KPI strategy, I guess, that cascades through the lower levels of management as well, and a communication plan to make the same clear.